Good morning and welcome to Live. We're your AHS Morning News. Hello, I'm Macy.
And I'm Ethan. We're here to provide you with the news for today, Thursday, September 5th.
Today is recycling day for the 700s area. Please place your blue bins outside the classroom door at the start of third period today.
The Sadie's Hawkins dance will be held Friday, September 20th from 9 p.m. until midnight. Tickets will be sold September 19th and 20th and will cost $5. All school obligations must be met in order to purchase a ticket. Students are allowed to bring dates from outside of Apollo. However, your date must be in high school or a recent graduate. Middle school students or anyone 21 or over is not allowed to enter the dance. Guests will be required to show an ID upon entering the dance. Also, please remember you are allowed only one guest. You cannot buy tickets for a group of people.
Good morning, Eagles. Miss Dane here, Guidance Counselor for Seniors. Seniors, we want to celebrate your acceptances to different pathways that you're going to choose after high school. We have a clipboard in the counter in the guidance office on the counter for you to come in and sign and let us know the path that you are choosing. I have a couple of seniors to recognize this morning. Paige Cochran has been accepted at the University of Alabama, U of L, and Kentucky Wesleyan College. Jacob Robin got accepted at U of L. Shelby Boone, Western Kentucky University. Katie Wells has been accepted at Western and University of Southern Indiana. Linda James, Western Kentucky University. Shelby Smith has made a commitment with the Army National Guard. Brian Kendall, U.S. Army. Jacob G. Bullington, U.S. Marine Corps. Emma Workman, University of Pikeville. Kennedy Rowan, Georgetown College, Western Kentucky University, and Morehead State University. Dalen Crabtree, USI, University of the Cumberlands, and Brescia. Brianna Wynn, University of Cumberlands, Morehead State, Campbellsville, and Kayla Bowman, USI, University of Louisville. Congratulations, seniors.
Seniors, a Murray State University representative will be in the Commons area during lunch today. If you are interested in becoming a racer, stop by and have a chat. They will stick around in the CCR Center until 2 o'clock. Until 2 if you would like to speak more privately with them.
There are many clubs at Apollo that are available for students to join, so let's get information on a few of them and hopefully it encourages you to get involved.
My name is Miss Muse, and I'm one of the ag teachers along with Mr. Tucker and Mr. Johnson. With agriculture, we have a club called FFA, and the FFA, we're very active every year. The first thing that we're going to do is Thursday, we have our first meeting, and it's open to all ag students. It will be during 6th period, and we have a national FFA officer coming to speak to everyone. After that, we have a cookout for all of our ag students at Diamond Lake at 6 o'clock. So we try to stay active with our kids. To be in FFA, you have to pay a $15 due, and that goes to regional, state, and national. So we try to do lots of fun things throughout the year. We have lots of competitions, and in February we have National FFA Week, where we do something every single day. We have Spirit Week. This year we're working with Miss Matthews on the canned food drive, so please bring in some canned food if you all want some extra credit points in your ag classes.
Hi, I'm Miss Jackson, and I am the sponsor of our CEC Club. CEC stands for Council for Exceptional Children, and we are a club that promotes inclusion, and we're advocates for those with special needs, and we meet the first and third Friday of every month, and we do have $5 dues.
Hello everyone, I'm here to remind you about the canned food drive that Miss Muse did an awesome job telling you about. So, we have the canned food drive. Remember, I'm coming around every Friday, so today is Thursday. Go home tonight and be like, Mom, Dad, I don't want to eat these beets. I'm going to take them to school and donate them to the canned food drive. All right? So, remember, we have a lot of catching up to do. We had a big donation the other day, thanks to Jake Grant's mom. Whoop, whoop. But bring in your canned food drive bring in your canned goods because we've got 3 tons to catch up to. All right? Spirit Club meeting tomorrow morning in my room. Go Eagles!
There will be a Friday at 37.
Macy Brown shot a 2/38 to lead scorers in Henderson last night. Other scorers for Apollo were Addison Carter, 51, Brooke Brown, 51, and Mary Lyons shot at 54.
Do you want to know how to prevent bullying or
That's a
unhealthy
typo.
relationships within our school? If so, you should become part of the Green Dot program. For more information, see Mrs. McCarty in room 430.
For underclassmen is scheduled for Thursday, September 12th. You should have received a picture packet during EFT last Friday. Extras are available in the front office, and seniors, your picture day will be Friday, October 18th.
So there is a lot going on here at Apollo, a lot of exciting things coming down the road. We have phase 1 construction. Everybody noticed on Southtown and Gemini that the stadium is moving along and really looking good. We were supposed to originally have the stadium ready by the start of this fall season. Obviously that hasn't happened, but they are still working to try to get our last game of the season on the new field. Looking down the road, I think by the end of this year, they still have planned to turn our current stadium into a parking lot. That's going to be the new student parking area. And then possibly by the end of this year, they might start tearing out the current student parking lot and building our new addition, which is phase 2 construction. Good opportunities for us to have good building and resources for our everyday needs. So stay tuned. We'll let you know as things progress.
The First Junior Civitan Club will be meeting on Thursday, September 12th from 3:15 until 4 in room 400. Please see Mrs. McCarty in room 438 if you have any questions.
The Creative Writing Club will be meeting next Wednesday, September 11th from 3:30 to 4:30 in Miss Boykin's room, room 318. Stop by to see Miss Boykin if you have any questions.
The acapella list has been posted outside Mrs. Wooldridge's door. The first rehearsal will be Friday until 4 p.m.
For today's lunch, you have a choice of taco salad or pizza in the Global Fare line, chicken or rice in the Mama's Kitchen line. Of the day.
We would like to wish the following after-school activities good luck as they participate in events this evening. The choir as they host a concert in the Commons area at 6. The boys soccer team as they play Owensboro at Shipley Park with the JV playing at 6 and the varsity at 7:30. The freshman football team as they play at Owensboro at 6 and the volleyball team as they host Henderson County with the freshmen playing at 5:30, the JV at 6:30, and the varsity at 7:30. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, Eagles. Going straight to our birthdays today on this September 5th. Hunter Bratcher, Hayden Dant, Michael Ferris, Bryson Gray, otherwise known as Dozer, Emily Payne, all celebrating birthdays today. Let's make it a great day in Eagle Nation.
Please stand for the pledge. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.